That is, when I said it's an illusion, I lied. It just looks like one. Now, whenever I take two of these rings and I just link them together like that, everyone thinks there's got to be a hole in one of them. Well, that's ruined that trick then. Now, I'll tell you what. Can I have a volunteer from the audience? Let's choose this young lady in the grey and black and no colour coordination. Can't stand just there. What's your name? Tilly. Give Tilly a big round of applause. And how old are you, Tilly? 9. You know, I was 9 when I was your age. It's true. Oh, are you married? No, that's why you're smiling. What I want you to do, Tilly, these two rings that I linked, take hold of them, give them a good twist, pull, fiddle with, see if you can find the hole in them. While you're looking for the hole, I'm just going to run these two so have you found the hole? Keep looking, Tilly. There is a hole. If you can't find it, I'll show it to you. I'm just going to run these two first, so that they join together like that. Have you found the hole yet? I'll tell you what, Tilly. Hold them up like that, and I'll show you the hole. Are you ready, Tilly? Look, it's just there, you see. So they're joined together, yeah? There's no way this one will come off that one. There's no way that one can come off this one. So there's no way, Tilly. There's no way that I could take just one of these rings and make it join that one there, is there? So I won't do that because, well, that would be impossible. But what I will do, Tilly, I'm going to let you decide where on this ring this one comes off. What I'll do, I'll run my finger around, you say stop, and that's where I'll take it off, yeah? There. Just there. Okay. Now if you chose the right place, Tilly, if it comes off just there, everybody here is going to clap and cheer. But if you chose the wrong place, Tilly, if it doesn't come off there, everybody here is going to boo. And Tilly, they're going to boo you. Not so Mr. Nice and Funny now, am I? Just there, you said, yeah? Yeah? Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Give her a big round of applause as she goes back to her seat because she got a bigger round of applause than me.